Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a document that is 300 by 200 in Inkscape. And that way you'll have it, but I'm also going to send you this. And honestly, I forgot how I did it too. So, document properties. There we go. We want a custom size document. We want the width to be 300. And we want the height to be 200. Scale it 1:1. Miss da 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 da. Hit OK. I think maybe not hit OK. It does it. So there's your page that's 300 by 200, and I'm going to save as and call it 300 by 200 template. And I will save it to my desktop. And then I will drop it. Oops, it won't let me. Okay, I'll make the link available to you in just a minute. Anyway, file's coming.